You gonna get the steak, Kaya? You gonna get the steak? Get the steak, Kaya. You can do it. Get the steak, Kaya. Look how much steak is in front of you. Come on, Kaya. This is Kaya. She's 11 years old, and the vet told her the vet told me I can start trying to do physical therapy with her to try to get her to move. So I made her a nice big steak, and I'm trying to get her to move. Come on, Kaya. You can do it, honey bear. Look at all that steak in front of you. You can do it, baby. Look, I'll get some a little closer. I'll try. Come on, Kaya. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl, Kaya. Good girl, Kaya. Come on. You can do it. Come get the steak. You can do it, Kaya. You can do it. Come on, Kaya. You can do it. This is good stuff. You can do it. Come on, Kaya. You can do it. You can do it, baby girl. You can do it. I know, it's tough. I'm sorry. Come on. You can do it, baby. See, her left side just doesn't want to work. See her palm, or her paw, her left paw? You can do it, Kaya. Come on, there's more out there. You can do it, Kaya. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Look, they're right in front of you. Oops, you're sitting on... Oh, no, no, no. Look, right underneath you. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Look, right there. Good girl. Look, there's two more over there. Go get those two more. See, her left paw just folds. Well, it was really stiff, and now it doesn't even work. And the vet told me that her brain's not even recognizing her left side. There's one more. Just one more, and then you can have some water and rest. One more, baby. You can do it. You can do it, Kaya. You can do it, Kaya. Come on. Look right there, Kaya. You can do it. Look. Come on. One more. Right there. I'll help you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Kaya.